Summer is in full swing, and for many, that means taking in a ball game. Baseball is not only America's pastime, it's a great theme to celebrate birthdays for the sports fan in your life. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you how easy it is to make and decorate a one-tier baseball cake. So let's bake and play ball! I'm stepping up to the plate with my classic vanilla cake. I'm torting 2 cakes into 4 layers. Next, I'm whipping up a batch of my magic Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. The recipes for both are linked below. Batter up, let's stack this cake. Yes, there will be lots of baseball euphemisms in this video. If you're new to my channel, hi new friend, welcome! Each week I share recipes and fun decorating ideas like this one, so subscribe to see what we make together next. Continue layering the cake and frosting until all 4 have been stacked. Then, apply a generous crumb coat to the sides. My favorite baseball movie is a two-way tie between A League of Their Own and Field of Dreams. But the baseball line I quote the most is from The Sandlot. I think I say, "You're killing me, Smalls," on a weekly basis. What's your favorite baseball movie? Let me know in the comments below. Off to the fridge to firm up. Now let's cover our bases with a second coat of frosting. Because this will be a primarily white cake, we're going to apply a heavy layer to make sure no cake peeks through the frosting. Fun Princess baseball fact: the most valuable baseball card ever is not of Babe Ruth or Mickey Mantle, or anyone you might know. The card is a T206 Honus Wagner, and its sale in 2021 set a record for sports cards when it was sold for $6.6 million. Now that's a princess price. Back to the cake. I'm smoothing out the top coat of frosting to give us a flat finish for our baseball details. While the cake firms up in the fridge, let's color some extra frosting. We're going to need red for the baseball stitches, and green for the infield grass. Transfer to piping bags with a small tip for the red. I'm using a Wilton No. 3 and a 233 grass tip for the green. If you look at a baseball, the stitches, or laces, move in different directions in a swirl pattern. There's 108 of them in all. We're going to mimic that design. To make a semicircle in the front, first I tried a circle cutter, strike 1. Then I tried a solo cup, strike 2. But I hit it out of the park with a cereal bowl. Take the bowl and gently press into the frosting. You only want to leave a curved indentation mark. Perfect! That's going to be our piping guide. Add one in the opposite direction for the other side, and you're ready to start adding stitches. Using your red frosting piping bag, follow the indentation guide to create the stitches. Baseballs have these stitches because they help pitchers grip the ball to throw different style pitches. See how the indentation helps you know where the frosting goes? It's a great shortcut. Now pipe along the outer edge of the cake and connect the lines in the front. I'm choosing to place the stitches here because I'm decorating the top of the cake, but you can also drag the stitches straight back as well. Looking at the ball, stitches go in opposite directions because of the swirling pattern. Carefully make little arrows. Any frosting tips created from pulling back the piping bag you can easily fix with a toothpick. On the opposite side, make arrows in the opposite direction, in this case pointing downwards. Continue until you meet the top of the cake. Continue piping stitches all the way around the top. This is the result when it's done. Looks exactly like a baseball. Now for the top. For our grassy outfield, I'm using a square cookie cutter as a guide. Press gently into the cake for a square indentation and pipe green using the grass tip all the way around. Pulling up gently gives the perfect look of grass. Once you have a square, add a little more grass for the outfield, as baseball diamonds are not 100% square. Outfielders need a lot of grass for those sliding catches. For the infield, I'm grinding graham crackers into crumbs using the food processor. A few pulses is all you need for the most yummy dirt. I'm using a sandwich bag to cover the infield with the crumbs. Use an offset spatula to smooth the dirt out. But fields need bases. To make mine, I'm using a marshmallow. Carefully cut into 4 small squares and load the bases. Finish the cake by adding green grass along the bottom edge, and you're ready to hit a grand slam. I hope you enjoyed making this baseball cake with me. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.